Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a mic to a JBL soundbar. First, take your wireless microphone and plug its receiver into a compatible audio mixer. Then, ensure the mixer is powered on and all cables are firmly connected. Now check that the receiver's frequency matches the microphone so it can communicate without interference. Next, connect the mixer's output to your JBL soundbar. You can use an aux cable, an optical cable, or a Bluetooth transmitter depending on what your soundbar supports. Make sure to select the correct input source on the soundbar to match the connection type. Turn on the soundbar and the wireless microphone. Gradually adjust the microphone volume and master volume on the mixer to avoid distortion or feedback. Test the mic by speaking or singing into it, and tweak the mixer's equalizer or tone controls if available to enhance sound clarity. Finally, check from different positions in the room to ensure the mic picks up sound consistently and the output from the JBL soundbar is clear and balanced. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.